Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do a Rabona shot in FC26. So let's get started. What you'll need to do is go next to the goalkeeper, as you can see, wait for him to go out. And go around the goalkeeper. So let's go right here. Okay, so I did a mistake. What you'll need to do is bring your ball next right here and bring your player next to the ball, so it will be easier to practice because it takes some skill to do it. Now let's get started. So right here, make sure that you're a goalkeeper and you shoot like that. And as you can see, that's a Rabona shoot. So let's try again. It forces to try well a shot, but sometimes it does Rabona. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.